Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore China's amazing public transportation. Traveling around this huge country can be a bit of an adventure whether you've been here before or it's your first time. But don't worry, we're here to help you figure it all out step by step. From the busy subways in Shanghai to the super fast trains, we'll show you the best ways to get around in China. First, let's talk about the subway, your best friend in big cities like Beijing, Shanghai and Guangzhou. These underground trains are like the lifelines of these cities, carrying millions of people every day. Download a subway app like Baidu Maps or Metroman to find routes, check prices and see live updates. Get a rechargeable subway card, add some money to it, tap it on the reader and you're ready to ride. Just a heads up, rush hour can be pretty crowded. Looking for a cheaper way to travel? Take the bus. They might seem a little confusing at first, but they're a great way to see the city like a local. Helpful apps like Baidu Maps or Amap will show you the way. Scan the QR code at the bus stop to see the route map. You can pay easily with your subway card or by scanning a QR code with your phone. Need a ride directly to where you're going? Taxis and ride-hailing apps like DiDi are perfect for that. Hailing a taxi is easy, but not all drivers speak English. The DiDi app is super convenient. Order a ride, pay through the app, and you can even translate your destination. Now let's talk about the best part of traveling in China, the high-speed train. These cool trains can zoom across the country at up to 350 kilometers per h. You can book tickets easily with the 12306 app or websites like trip.com. Once you've ridden on China's high-speed rail, you won't want to travel any other way. For short trips, try the bikes and e-scooters from Mobique, Hello Bike, Meituan, and other companies. They're everywhere. Open your WeChat, Alipay, or a bike-sharing app, scan the QR code, and you're off. Remember to park in a designated area when you're finished. Super easy. In cities near the water like Shanghai, Guangzhou or Hong Kong, take a ferry. These comfortable boats can take you across rivers to nearby islands or on longer trips. Buy your tickets at the dock or online. Alipay and WeChat Pay are the best ways to pay for tickets. Enjoy the ride. Before we finish, here are the most important apps you'll need to travel around China. Baidu Maps and Amap are great for finding your way and seeing live traffic updates. For subways, Metroman is super helpful. And don't forget Alipay and WeChat. Pay for everything from buying tickets to ordering food. So there you have it, your complete guide to using public transportation in China. Now you know how to travel around this amazing country like a pro. Have a safe trip, everyone. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you get around China easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more travel tips.